they're on the job. They started doing the inquiry. And all search teams had gone there, including the SDRF, then the local tours and guides, also the mountaineering from Jawai, as well as our police special team, the fire and emergency service, and local police from Sora. They started the search, and eventually on the 2nd they got the lifeless body, the dead body of Raja. Then subsequently the case was registered. Then upon that the SIT was formed. We had able officers specifically chosen for the job, and then you can understand, because after accumulating all evidences with the help of the team, day in day night, they worked so hard, and then accumulated substantial evidence, and then only proceeded to Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh to execute the raids. Yeah, and eventually led to the arrest of suspected persons. 4 already arrested, and 1 is being formally arrested once the team reaches there. कल 2 टीम गया सूबे में और 1 टीम गया उत्तर प्रदेश के लिए. Yeah. जब आप It is a matter of investigation. We will investigate that angle, because right now we cannot say anything regarding the robbery, but we will investigate the matter once they're brought. All the accused are brought from there on transit remand. Then we'll be able to investigate, and then piece by piece we'll be able to connect the evidences, and whatever happened, then investigation will take place and interrogation. Yeah. The pattern suggests that Sonam and Raj were in contact. Yeah, they were in contact, and then most probably they know each other. So from that we can know that they've been constantly in contact with each other. And Raj, though he didn't come here, but we know that he's also very much involved from interrogation. Yeah.
यानी killers के भी और सोनम के भी संपर्क में था.
See, yeah, with the killers were in contact with Raj. Yeah, and Sonam too, she had previous contacts also, because, like I've said, the pattern of contact between Raj and Sonam, it's very visible. It's very visible. So we know that they know each other very well. Yeah. The first arrest, Mr. Akash Rajput, he was arrested from Uttar Pradesh, Lalitpur, and subsequently another SIT team led by DSP Crime, Mr. Vishal Singh Chauhan, 22 years. He was arrested from Madhya Pradesh. Then after that, Mr. Raj Singh Kushwaha, he was arrested from Madhya Pradesh. And then after the arrest of these, suddenly we got the information that Sonam Raguvanshi, she's been surrendered at in Ghazipur district, Nanganj police station. So we got that information. Then we did not stop the raid. We continued, because we had information of another suspected accused, Mr. Anand Kurmi, who's age 23 and a resident of India. So this team led by DSP operations, they were able to apprehend and arrest Mr. Anand Kurmi from Madhya Pradesh. Yeah. Once all the accused are brought here, we will intensify the investigation, the interrogation, and we'll be able to understand the previous conduct, the motive, as well as the subsequent conduct. So once we interrogate and investigate further, then only we'll be able to make any comment on that. Yeah. Definitely. They'll be produced. Once we get the transit remand from the respective states, they'll be brought to here, to Meghalaya. Then we'll produce in court, and definitely we'll take custody, and we'll proceed intensively with the investigation.